Helix.
Really excited to talk with you today about your new research findings on how to increase online student engagement.
I think what's happening with the online revolution and digital revolution now is that the cost of conducting these randomized tests has come down, and they're much more easy in some ways to do so. The power of online is not just additional volume of students, but also it allows us to observe more rich actions taken by those students in a way that we couldn't have observed in face-to-face environments. So when I worked on my paper with Coursera, I had access to very granular information about when a learner starts watching a video, when they pause it, do they speed it up while watching? Do they come back and rewatch it? Are they binging? And even for assessments, how many attempts are they making? Are there certain points in an assessment or a quiz where they need more assistance or help? And so combining all of these rich data with all of our current advances in statistical and computational techniques, to me, that's the power of experimentation in the online world.